Welcome to Bybit, your gateway to crypto trading success. Let's explore 10 essential tips for newbies. First, secure your journey by creating and verifying your account. It's the foundation of safe trading. Explore Bybit's diverse deposit options to fund your future in crypto. Choose what works best for you. Crack the fee code by understanding Bybit's trading cost structure. Knowledge is power in managing your trades. Rest easy with Bybit's triple-layer security approach. It's like Fort Knox for your crypto. Master the trading trifecta: spot, derivatives, and options. Each offers unique opportunities for profit. Don't miss out on free crypto. Leverage launch pool and launch pad opportunities. Explore trading on autopilot with Bybit's bots and copy trading features. Efficiency at its best. Tap into Bybit's educational resources. Remember, in crypto, knowledge truly is power. Your Bybit journey begins now. Click below to create your account and start trading.